Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you how I designed this from scratch, so with my smartphone. So today I'm going to show you how I designed this with just my smartphone. So if today is your first time on my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notification each time we drop new videos like this. So without wasting much time, I'm going to show you how I did this. So I'm going to delete this. I will delete everything here from scratch. So I will delete everything here so you can know how this was done from scratch. So now we are left with our background here. So this is our background. This is only our background here. So first thing, this is what you do. Okay, let me come over to here. Oh, this is our background here. So I'm going to show you how you can start this from scratch. So first thing, I'm going to delete this. So I'll come over here. I'll choose background. I'll choose any background I feel like. So I'll come over here. I'll choose white background so that I can have black here. So I'll come over here. I'll choose black. Okay. Now this is what will happen. I'll come over here. Come over to here. I'll choose on shapes. This is okay. So now I'll come over to color. I'll click on gradients. I'll click on gradients. Then I will click on here. So this is what you do after going to this point. Then click on here in number 3. Click on the number 4. The number 4 here. Now this is what you do. Come over to here. Tap on here. Tap on here. Then tap on the color. Then we pick red. Make it light. Okay. Now we come over to here. Tap on this place. Then tap on color. Then you make it red sharp. Now make it black. Okay. Alright, now we are good to go with this. Right, now we come over to here. You extend it to cover the surface here like this. Okay, then you come over here. Then you lock it. Now tap on the screen. Then tap on shape. Now we are using Sego. So now this is what happened. You increase the size. You leave it like this. Okay. Now you come over to color. And I'm going to use yellow at first. So I will come over here again. I'll click on copy. I'll come over to color again. I'll click on this. Now I'll place it here. So let me bring the first one down. I'll place it here. Alright, so now we are good to go with this. Now I will lock it up. Now I will import the right up here. So I'll start with this. I will import the place of the chicken here. So first thing first, I will do this. I will make it square, circle. Then I'll leave it like this. So I'll leave it here. So now I'll leave it here like this. Okay, now I'll copy this again. I'll reduce the size to place it here. Now I will copy the same one again. I'll copy it, I'll place it here. Hope you are following. So now I'll come over to this one, I'll tap it, I'll send it to front. Hope you are following. So in order to have everything to be in order, I'll bring this here, I'll click on this, then I'll bring this one here. Okay, I'll also bring this one here. So I'll bring this one here. So take note, in order to have an accurate shape here, the same space here, in order to have the same thing here, I'll click on this one. So I have 11 here. Okay, I'll click on OK. Then I'll tap on this one, I'll place it here. I'll also tap on this one. So it must be 90. 11 minus 11 in 100, that would be minus 89. Alright, so you can see here, so I have to move it. Let me do again. 89. Okay, so I'll leave it like that. So now I'll come over here, I will lock it, I'll rotate this one here. Okay, now we are good to go. I'll also rotate this one up. Click on position, I will rotate that up. Alright, now we are good to go with this. Let me increase the screen, my screen light, so that you can see better. Now we are good to go with this. Now I have to come over here, I will lock everything up. So I will remove this. So now I'll click on the first one from here. No, I'll click on this first one, this one. I'll come over to texture. You can see here. Tap on texture. Then it's going to take you to your gallery. Then I'll tap on the image I want to use. So I'll tap on the image here. I'll crop it to the point I want. I'll crop it to the point that I need. So I'll come over to here, I will bring it like this. Hope you can see this now. So now I'll come over to stroke. I'll enable the stroke. I'll choose the stroke color. I'll choose yellow. I'll choose the stroke color. I'll choose yellow for that. Then I'll come over here. Then I'll put in, make it 5. Oh, you can see. Then I'll come over to this one now. Also, I will click on texture. Come over to texture. I'll click on the 0. I'll click on this. And I'll crop it to the what I want. Yeah. Then I'll click on this. Then I'm going to scale it. Right. So we are good to go with this. Then I'll come over to this one also. I'll tap on here. I will click on texture also. I'll click to pick the image that I want. Then I'll use this for this one now. I'll use this for this one. Click on the check mark. So I'll also scale it to have this. So alright. So I'm okay with this. Alright, this is not okay. Okay, I'll go with this. Alright, so I'll come over to stroke. I'll come over to stroke. I'll enable it. I'll choose yellow as well. Then I'll make it 5 also. Then I'll come over to this one also. Then I'll come over to text to stroke. I'll come over to stroke. I'll enable it. I'll give it yellow, and I'll also make it 5. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you leave a comment if you want me to do motivational like this. I'd like to see a comment. I want more. So make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is free. So sense? Do that. So what we do here again is that we start with the right up. So we come up with this. I'll click on edit. I'll click on you. I'll turn it to capital letter and I'll bring it here. Then I'll choose a font for this. I'll choose a font for this. For this training, I'm going to use this. Okay, so I will come over to text again. I'll edit. I'll write hungry here. I'll turn it to capital letter. Then I'll bring it here. I'll increase the size. Then I'll choose another font for it. I'll choose font for this training. I'm going to use this one, Juke 5. So I'll leave it here. So I'll choose the color. I'll choose a nice color for this, but I'm going to choose a nice color. Then I will use yellow. So I'll place it here. Hope you are following. So I'm going to come up with another text right up again. Right, I'm going to put in something like this: visit our resto. Right, so I will leave it here. So let me use another simple font for that. So in case you are looking about to how you can get fonts, because this one I'm going to use font now that I imported to my pixellab. So in case you are looking for how to get font, there is one particular video I did on that. Make sure you go and watch that video, so you learn how you can import font into your pixellab. So now we are done with this now. So this is what I'll do again. I'll copy this. I'll then now I'm going to edit. I'll type stay home, turn it to capital letter. I'll bring it here. Now I'm going to reduce the size. I'll place it here. Then I will copy. I'll change the color to white. Okay, I'm going to leave the color like this. Now I'm going to copy the same text again. Then I'm going to edit. This time write we deliver. Now I'm going to change it to capital letter and now bring it here. I'll increase the size, then I'll place it here. Hope you are following. So I'll leave it here. Now I'm going to change the color of this one to white. Alright, so you are getting it. So now I'm going to, this is what I'll do again. I'll come over here. I'll bring in a shape here. So take note, make sure you are watching this video with close attention so you can get how everything was done. So I'm going to come over here. I'll make it 25. Then I'll do this. I'll bring this here, bring it like this. Then I'll come over here. I will reduce the opacity. Hope you are following. I'll reduce the opacity to 0. Then I'll bring it up. You see stroke here. Then increase the stroke width. I'll leave it to 5. Then I'll bring the opacity. Then the stroke color I will leave it white. Come over, leave it white and bring it here. You can place it here. Oh, you leave it here. So now now in this place now we are going to put the website of the restaurant. So we come over here, we put chicken shop.com, right? And you turn it into capital letters, then you reduce the size. You reduce the size, then you place it here. Now you come over here, you choose the font. So I'm going to use something. Then let me use this so that it can be bold. Then you increase the size. You increase the size. Increase the size. Increase the size. So now we are good with this. So this is what you do. You come over to color. Come over to color. Then you bring this here. Alright, then you come bring it this one, then you choose on yellow. Alright, so we are good to go with this. Then you stop at this point. When you arrive at this point, so before we continue, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. If you have other people that will want to learn how to design with smartphone, you can share this video to them, and make sure you leave a nice comment in this video. So now let's add some kind of effect to this. So I'll come over here, I will click on this, I will look for, okay, let me use this. So I'll just come up, I'll crop out the place that I want. I'll crop out here. Alright, so now I'm going to rotate this, place it here. Hope you are following. I'll place it here. Okay, let me turn it like this. I'll place it here. Then I'll come over to opacity. I'll reduce the opacity. This, and I will also reduce. I think we are good to go with this. I will leave the opacity at 20. So I will leave the opacity at 20. Then I'll bring it. Then I'll copy that same. I'll copy it. I'll bring it here. I'll turn it. I will leave it here. Alright. So we are good to go with this. So this is the end of how I was able to put up the design like this. This is how I was able to put up the design like this. So I believe you have learned something new from this. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share this video to other people. Make sure you leave a nice comment if you want me to do more tutorial videos of how you can design church flyer, any kind of flyer. Leave it in the comment section. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. In this channel I do tutorials on how to master graphic design, how to make money with affiliate marketing, website design, and landing page creation. You have a lot of value to gain for subscribing this channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.